Effective managers have multiple sources of power, and they know how to use their power to get things done. The exercise of power, the using of power, is what we call influence. We influence other people when we have an impact on what they think, feel, or do. Influence tactics are the strategies we use to influence other people and get them to commit to our request. Some tactics are, of course, more effective than others. Rational persuasion is the only tactic that is effective across all organizational levels. Inspirational appeals and consultation also tend to be effective, especially when the audience is highly interested in the outcomes of the decision process. Pressure tends to be the least effective influence tactic, and it can often backfire and hurt satisfaction and performance.